I will show you basic of ArtRage. Let's open. Let me see. Hold it. You open. I'm just pressing the control and the scroll mouse. Scroll the mouse to zoom in and out. You can edit this. This is what called the canvas. This one is the oil brush, the watercolor brush. You can resize your brush by pressing the bracket, or just click this one and type whatever size that you want. You can change your color by picking on this color wheel. Also, this is a knife, palette knife. It does, what it does is, I will make it larger. It blends the color. And if you want to, there's also a lot of presets on the knife, palette knife, and other tools that you can choose from. And this is the ink pen and the airbrush. What it can do is just like a airbrush. This is a ink pen. This is the pencil. You can play around and what you can do. And this is a large brush. A roller, spring roller. This is a felt pen. This is another look pen. It's nothing. We're just trying out what are these, and these are custom brush. You can select from the presets the custom brush pen. Okay. You can select here and see you will have the brush you want. Just play around. It's like 3D something. So a lot of presets to choose from. Another glitters, one of my favorites also. Presets. So, erase tool. Stop. Erase tool. Of course, you want to erase them, or just going to select this one and then clear layer. Everything is erased. So this is the layer panel. But you want to add layer, just click add, and then if you click this one, this is where press that. We should move this one here. I should move this one here. That one here. Yeah. It's much better. So you are writing in this just like a paper you are writing here. If you are writing here, let's find another color. You write here. So if you want to turn it off, you can select this eye, layer visibility. You can't see this, but still available. So, and this icon is called the opacity. Just clicking it, click this and set opacities like the transparency. Just try to confirm, then it will not show. If you're familiar with other software editing, you click this. This is the blend mode. This is you can use this. You can usually see this in Photoshop, Illustrator, Affinity, and other photo editing. I will discuss this in that maybe in the future. I will discuss this, but you can play around this, and there's a lot of it will be different. So this is when you want to just if you want to have a new painting, it's like new document, you can replace what size. I usually paint in 800 by 800 pixel. It's a square, or you can use the print size. Let's change the inches. Say 11 each, 8 by each, and then yeah, it's pixel per inch. This is the quality, pixel per inch, PPI. I like it 300 so that it will be much good. And then the canvas, you can choose like what paper, what canvas material. I usually go with watercolor paper. It's my favorite. You can try each one of them, and also this one, canvas. Basic canvas. Let's try this basic canvas. And just okay. You see, we have a square. Name this pala. I usually do. My one is I usually sketch. And I use pencil, sketch. It should be bigger. You can adjust this so that you can see much pressure. So for this, so we're done with the sketch. Let's make it a little so click it, and we're going to color it. To clear first the sample, and let's choose the color. I like it bluish. Sample, and then icing should be pinkish, reddish. example, and yellowish for the. This basically would be my color. So I will use a watercolor for this. Is this a canvas? Yeah. For this artwork, I will use watercolor glue. I'll make it a larger one for 400. To make it darker, no. To make it darker, adjust the thinner to be smaller. It's okay if you have missed the spots. Maybe I could make it bigger. I should have. So we're going to create a new layer, and then we're going to draw. I think I want to see. Nice. We have something's not good. We need this to become more bigger. So that's it. Our background so that it will have more life. So my background is that is this. I want more sunny. Because it's we will have some details. I made a mistake using it here. Too much.